Do you want to know how you can log into your Basic Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Basic Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and go to the search bar to search for Basic Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Basic Payroll. If you scroll a bit down, you can see that this is the login portal, and you can click on this and you can see that this is the thing you want to click on, Employer Web Account Access. Go ahead and tap on it and it will lead you to the official sign-in portal of Basic Payroll. Now what you need to do is write down your username in the first box. After you write down your username, go to the second box and write down your password associated with Basic Payroll. Make sure to check on your password by clicking on this eye icon which you can see over here. Then the next step is to click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Basic Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you to recover your password. I hope this video about how you can log into your Basic Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.